What's up, YouTube? This is JB back with another Mustang video. Last video, I talked about my JX order. So I can't say the bad without saying the good. So they did contact me and try to make up for that. So they sent me something to try to make up for the confusion and everything. So put that out there because I can't say the bad without saying the good. So they did that. Next, this video we got another unboxing. So you saw the thumbnail and you see the logo right there. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this Ringbrother box. But if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Another update, I did contact Nitto about my tires, and they have no ETA on the tires. So I need everybody to go in the comments if you having any problems with ordering things, tires, parts. Tell me your experience, how long you have to wait and things like that. I could say I ordered these in September. They were supposed to ship in October 9th. So I didn't hear nothing, so then that's what made me call them and ask. They have no ETA on when they'll ship them, but I guess they're ordered and on the way. But let's go ahead and start this unboxing. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what's in here. Instructions. Here go the shocks, or one of the shocks. And I did get the hinges for a metal hood. One of them. The other shock. Here's the other. So, they do have a lot of detail in these. I don't know if you can see all this stuff, but they do have a lot of detail. This is how they'll look. So Bam. Let's see what else is in here. Got some hardware pieces. Some more hardware. And that's it. So that's the Ringbrother hinges. So, bam. That's it. But I guess let's go ahead and see how these look on the car. So, come with me. We're gonna put these on. Yeah. Alright, so I finished the hinges, so let's go ahead and take a look at how they actually came out. So it was pretty easy to put these on. I mean, it's not hard at all. But they are very nice, very detailed. But I mean, they should be for the price, because they're not cheap. So that's the Ringbrother hinges. So that's that. So I think this is probably the first video of me actually putting something on, but I promise you it'll be more videos of me actually installing stuff. It's just that, you know, all the stuff that I have right now either need to have fab work done before even being able to install stuff. So since they have to do the fab work at a shop, they might as well put some of those things on. So, but after that, I promise you I have some videos of me actually installing some stuff. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll know when I post more videos. But until next time, alright, peace.